Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to bookmark a tab here in Brave Browser. So for example, you are browsing this article and you want it to save for later to read, like if you don't have time for now, like that. So to bookmark it, so on the top part, you can see the address bar. On the left side, you will find this ribbon icon and click on that one. So as you can see, bookmark is added. You can rename this, like doesn't have to be the default name of the article. So for example, you can just name this read for later. And then you could choose a folder, like you can create another folder or like that just on the default bookmarks bar, click done. Then once you open a new tab, as you can see, this is the default place where the bookmarks will go. And then you can see the read for later. So it copies the icon of that website. Click on that one and then it will automatically redirect you to that website. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.